Hi guys, today I am happy because I am sharing the video of my chatbot. I created this chatbot by using Streamlit library and my skill prompt engineering. Also people say the vibe coding. I use the AI to create this app. To create this app I face many errors. I will show you in this video and this is code of my app. So without wasting time, let's start the video. This is my chatbot. You can see in the screen. I use the Gemini 2.0 Flash model. API key. You need a API key to run this chatbot. Let's put my API key to run this chatbot. I enter my prompt, so let's see what it can answer. It replied me, so let's see what it replied me. Okay, it tell us some methods of earning in 2025. You see here, it tell us many things. Let's upload something to see what it can answer. Okay, I upload the image. So let's see what it can answer. It still analyzing. Okay, it's give answer. Answer is here. Image analyzed by Gemini. Okay, okay. It tell us what is in the image. You see here. You can also download the chat in TXT and PDF. It download. Okay, download in PDF. The chat is downloaded. You can see the file in the download bar. We can also clear the chat by just clicking the chat clear button. You see the chat is clear. This is my chatbot app. Now I am going to show you errors and telling you how I create this app. I use the ChatGPT for coding and I use the API key of Gemini also. The first error that I face to create this app, the error is theme error. When I change the theme, sometime it rewriting the output, sometime it cannot change the theme of the app. It give me many errors. The second error is I also add the animation of writing like ChatGPT and other models, but it cannot work properly. When I download the chat in PDF and TXT, it rewriting the output. It show the rewriting of animation again. To create this app, it take my 2 days and I also face many errors. The common error that I face many time, the error is 404. This error is come many times when I create the app and st.experimental rerun. This error is many time I face. Why this error is come again and again? Because I face many error. When the error is come, I go to the ChatGPT to solve the error. ChatGPT also solve the error, but it give me st.experimental rerun code. When it give me that code, I change that code by simply st.rerun. Then it work proper. Very soon I push my code in GitHub and Docker image. Maybe I push my code with this video. post on LinkedIn before. Now this is my app and this is my video. If my video is better, please like the video and also tell me how is my video in the comment section. Here is the code of my chatbot app. You can easily access there. You see my all code is here. Okay. If you need a code, you can easily copy, and if you need a download this file, you can easily download this file. The repository where is the my code. The name is project Streamlit project 1.10, and the name of my GitHub Muhammad Ahmed Bhutta. On the GitHub, you can also follow me, and you can also follow me on other social media like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram also, and Giggle. On Google, search GitHub and then GitHub welcome. Then go to the GitHub search bar and type Muhammad Ahmed Bhutta. Then my profile ID appear there. Then follow me on GitHub. Okay, bye bye. See you later.